Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you how we can print a heart-like shape using uh, nested for loop. Okay, so let us see how it can be done. So as you can see on your screen, I have written this star shape in the tabular form. You can see there are total 6 rows numbered 0 to 5 and 7 columns numbered 0 to 6. So we will be doing it using nested for loop. So let us see how it can be done. So we will open a new file. As we have seen, there are total 6 rows. Okay. So for row in range 6 and for column in range 7. So here row and column are variables. Okay. Now if we look carefully, then in the first row, that is row number 0, you can see there is a star at first position, second position, fourth position and fifth position. There is no star at 0th position, third position and sixth position. Okay, there is no star at 0th position, third position and sixth position. So when we are dividing column number by 3 and remainder is 0, there is no star, otherwise there is a star. Okay, so let us write it. If so, this is 0th row, row is equal to 0 and column remainder 3 is not equal to 0, we need star. Okay, now come to the next row. So I have written row is equal to 0 and column remainder 3 is not equal to 0, then we need star. Now let us come to the first row, that is row number 1. So here you can see when row number is 0, 3 and 6, now we want a star. So when column number divided by 3 is equal to 0, column number divided by 3 gives remainder 0, then we need star. Okay, so it can be done like this. Row is equal to 1 and column remainder 3 is equal to 0, then we want star. So this is for first row, this is for second row. Now we will write R row is equal to 1 and column remainder 3 is equal to 0. Okay, R now let us see the next rows. Now in row number 2 to 5, you can see this marking 2 to 5, row number 2 to 5. For example, here look at my cursor. The row number is 2, column number is 0. So 2 minus 0 is 2. In the third row, you can see star is in the row 3 and column 1. So 3 minus 1, 2. Now here in fifth row, you can see star is at the second column. So 4 minus 2, again 2. In the sixth row, here you can see the column number is 3, row number is 5. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So you can see there is a pattern that row number minus column is equal to 2. Okay. So let us put that condition. R row minus column is equal to 2. R now you can see on the right side we have from row number 2 to 4. Okay, so here also we can see a pattern that for example, in this case, row number is 2, column number is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. Here, row number is 3, column number is 5. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Here, column number is 4, row number is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we want a star when row number plus column number is 8. So row plus column is equal to 8. So in all these cases, we want star. Okay, but we know that in Python, a new line is inbuilt in the print function, and we want these stars in single row. Okay, so we have to put end is equal to blank. Okay, then otherwise what we want? Otherwise we want no star, blank. So print blank string, and again, since there is an inbuilt new line, so we have to remove that. Okay, so for that we have given end is equal to inverted commas. Now once after every row we want new line, so for that we have to give print. Okay, so now this code should work. I think print has a new line inbuilt, so I will simply put print. Now if I run this code, so it will ask me to save it somewhere. So I will save it. It is saying invalid syntax. So it is because I forgot to put equal to here, double equal to. Now let us see it again. So now you can see it is printing a star shape pattern, heart shape pattern. Okay, that is what we wanted to do. So now our code is correct and it is working. Okay, so thank you.